What up, people? Jose again, Gianna's Auto. I told you I was gonna keep my promise this time. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep my promise. I'm gonna weld up this junk box with a piece that I made that 100% doesn't match that side, but who cares? I sure as hell don't. But yeah, no, I'm gonna weld up this hole because it really bothers me that it was all rusty and dusty, and yeah, so I gotta kind of trim this a little bit, which is not gonna take too long. Okay, so I kind of want to match. I want it to match a little bit to the other side. Not gonna happen, but you know, at least we can say that we tried. So I want to match it up just a smidge. So, yeah. I want to kind of make myself look professional. So, I just want to make this a little bit pretty. Come on, damn it. There you go. Alright. Yeah, like I meant to do it. Look at that.
That's a lot better.
Whoop! Bye. Where'd it go? Come on. Got it. Crisis averted. Alright, guys. I don't know if you can see it from there, but yeah. It looks a little satisfying. Well, to my standards. Alright. Stop it, damn it. This is your new home. Acquaint yourself with your car. You got a little bit of snipping. So I didn't really do a good job cutting this thing. It's a little wonky. So, alright. You know what? Like a very good YouTuber says, it's good enough. I'm gonna probably tag him on it because I like his videos. He does clay sculpting. Pretty good. It's really good. You should follow him. Definitely follow him. It's called North of the Border. He does clay sculpting and stuff. Really, 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 really good. I enjoy his videos. And no, I don't know him, but hey, good is good. So I 3D print. So yeah. Let me tag it. I'm gonna tag it. I'm a little satisfied. Damn it!
Good.
Got it. I'm almost 100% positive that this is not going to be straight, but I really don't care. As long as it's not a rusty, dusty hole full of Bondo, I'm good with it. Yeah, I know you like my mask. What? Oh, well, a ground would help. There we go.
That should be better.
Yep. Alright. We're good. Now to try to attempt line it back up where I had it. Alright.
We should be good.
We're not going to mention that. Chalk it up to Jose's stupidity. But that kind of helps. Alright. So now that we have the proper amount of gas. Oh, that's so much better. Oh. Would have been nice if some moron would have cleaned the area. But you know what? We're the backyardigans. Ooh. Demonetizing. Sorry. Alright, let's get it.
He got stuck.
Alright. So I'm doing recording on my phone. Somebody called me. Alright, let's try to finish it up.
Shower me with fire.
Well, we're on fire!
Oh, never mind.
Listen, don't mind the welds. I'm not even going to show you guys the welds because this is all rusty, so alright, I had to pause the video because yeah, my killer Lincoln, if you guys saw the other video, you'll get that. My Lincoln killer decided it wasn't gonna weld right anymore, so I had to adjust it a little bit. Hopefully we're good now. Let's see. Oh.
Well, that's not bad.
It's not exactly good, but it's not bad. It's, you know. Alright, so I started thinking and had a little conversation with Lincoln. And yeah, Lincoln tells me, hey, stupid, why don't you clean the surfaces that you're trying to weld? Yeah. So, I'm gonna try that. See what happens. It's so much better.
I listen to you, Lincoln.
Alright. So kids, today's lesson, don't weld galvanized steel, galvanized metal, to whatever steel the body is, because it doesn't really like it. So I'm going to try to touch up these welds because they look, my cameraman's trying to show you guys my shitty welds. Stop it, dude. Nope, we're gonna attempt to fix them. Probably set myself on fire, but hopefully not. Alright. Yep. Never mind. So we were both wrong. It's not the galvanized metal that's the problem. It's the freaking tip. That's not what she said. Sorry. I know. Child. Sorry. Sorry, people. I'm a child. I'm a grown man child. Alright, well, I'm going to have to leave this video here because I have to go to where I bought Killer Lincoln over here, get a new sleeve. Yeah, I'm gonna get a new sleeve and a new tip because, yeah, this was no good. But yeah, I'll show you guys right now the interior. All right, yeah. So this is the interior. Yep, you guys can't see the color yet. Haha, suckers. I got the new dashboard. I got the new center console. Well, not new to the car, just in case. The new center console, the new center console armrest. It came with the, I got it with the gauge clusters. I also got the new HVAC system because, like I showed you guys in the other video, the rats ate everything. So let me see if I can show you now. So this is the new harness, which I have to fix a couple things, but not a big deal. See, no chewed up wires. This one has bunch of duct tape and bubble gum. Has a whole bunch of crap. It has speaker wire that was eaten through. So I'm just gonna call it and swap it out. You know what? Let me turn off Killer real quick. Shut off. All right. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I have to go to the other shop, which I'll show you guys when I get there. So yeah, I'll see you there. And here we go. With the magic of editing and, you know, a lot of stuff, we're at the other shop. So some of my videos are gonna be done here. I got a little surprise that'll be coming soon. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that. And it's in the shape of a 4-door. 4 doors more. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, that behind me is the spray booth, the main spray booth. The other spray booth is right there. You know, bumpers and, you know, small stuff. So I might be doing the small stuff there, and then the rest of the stuff I'll be doing in the main spray booth. So it's gonna be great. So I'm going to leave this video here. Yeah, it wasn't very informative. I didn't really do anything, but I'll let you guys know exactly what's going on. That's a Porsche behind me. 2 Porsches there behind me. This one is going to be on the channel soon. That one is going to be way later on, because, you know, they're not mine. They belong to a friend, both of them. So yeah, join me in my journey of shenanigans in my channel, and I hope to blow this up. So you guys already know. If you want to let me know any comments, throw them down in the comment section. Hit that notification bell, hit the subscribe, because I really need your help. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.